Hello, this is Scott Laterna. I'm the CEO of NCP and Sales Hack System, and welcome to our overview of how we can help you as a non-resident seller on Amazon.com solve your insurance requirements. You may have already received an email notice with 30 days to get in compliance with insurance. You may have checked in your home country already. Perhaps there's not a solution there, or perhaps the coverage is very expensive due to your product category, especially if you're in high risk. So I want to share with you the three components to obtain a certificate of insurance in the United States and the issues that come into play and how we can help you and how we've helped many other non-resident sellers get into compliance with Amazon to protect your account. So there's three players. Of course, we have your Amazon seller account, which there'll be some changes or updates needed to be made. And there's some things you do not want to be doing to your Amazon account, which is not going to add up to getting the results you want. So in order to get a U.S. insurance policy, you may have already called certain companies. You may have gotten a price quote. If you're a non-resident individual seller, we've spoken to some people that have used a kind of U.S. address to get a price quote. If you're a foreign entity, you may have attempted to get a price quote and been told that in order to get a price quote, you first need a USLLC, EIN number, and U.S. address, which of course we can help you with. We've been doing that since 1997. The challenge is setting up the LLC is one thing as far as in alignment with tax treaties, your particular country, making sure it's managed properly, how the IRS is treated, when the returns are due, are you engaged in a U.S. trade or business. You have all those components are one issue. Now you got to go to get the quote on the U.S. insurance and get that in place. You may find a variety of quotes coming in because not all insurance companies are following Amazon's guidelines correctly. We do not know if you get a certificate of insurance and upload and get accepted, but later you didn't follow their guidelines. Is Amazon going to send you another notice 3 months, 6 months later to say you have this, but you didn't do it properly? So you have to make sure you work with the right insurance provider. We have recommendations for that meets Amazon requirements. So getting the certificate of insurance is one thing. Having it done properly is the second. And the third component is making sure it's filled out properly, that Amazon will accept it. Now, when you go to your Seller Central account, we have a set of steps you want to do prior to updating your certificate of insurance to make sure things match up in accordance. And of course, we have the USLLC and we have Amazon. What do we update and what do we not? So we have this triple overlap of these three components, and we've been very successful over the last several weeks with getting clients right in the middle where NCP comes into play to make sure all three components are done. Amazon's happy, you have the right compliance, you can move forward into the fourth quarter sales, being successful, not hoping you're going to get another 60-day notice or a 30-day notice, and you're right in the middle of mid-November, mid-December trying to figure this out. Let's do it right the first time. If you're not able to get insurance in your own country, I will tell you up front, obviously that would be the easiest solution. But if that's not going to come to you in time, reach out to NCP. You can set a free diagnostic call with myself and our team. You can see the two links below. They go to the same area. You'll set a call in your calendar. We'll chat with you for a few minutes to find out where you're at in the process and how we can help you move forward to get this solved. Obviously, timing is an issue depending upon when you got your 30-day notice, how you feel about getting things accomplished before the 30 days, or if you're okay if it goes over the 30 days, because these components do take a few business days on each particular area, especially on Amazon's side, with one of the major components. So reach out to NCP, schedule a call. We've opened up our calendar to more opportunities. If you have other non-resident sellers you want to share this with, be happy to speak with them and help them out. Again, my name is Scott Letourneau. On behalf of our team here at NCP, have an outstanding day.